What's going on, guys? Hootmoney here with another update. Today we're going to be talking about the market in general. Super choppy market today. Different catalysts happen, sending the mark up and down. So we'll be going over all of that. We're also going to be giving you guys a Bbig update as well as some other stocks that I was looking at. And we're just going to be kind of freestyling it today. So I hope you guys enjoy this market update. Drop a like if you guys do. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And let's get right into it. So first things first, if you wanted to open up an account on Moomoo, you can get up to $7,000 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform. It's super easy. All you have to do is click the link in the description, make an account, and then deposit $1 on the platform. And boom, you can get a share of Apple. Someone's got a share of Apple. They let me know of that. You can get a share of Google, Amazon. You could potentially get 2 shares of Amazon. Will you get that? Probably not, right? But you can potentially hit the lotto with this. So that's why I think it's worth it. Best brokerage promotion by far of any other brokerage that I've seen. They're also giving away a free share of AMC, which could be worth $1,000, by the way, at some point in the future, with a deposit of $100 right there. And yeah, you click that link in the description, deposit $1, you're good to go. So looking at the SPY right here, we can see Market Cipher. Market Cipher gave it the red X on the hourly, which should have been the tall tale sign that we were going to come back down today. Obviously, with inflation numbers, you can see right here, it rose 7.5% over the past 12 months. That's not good because that would encourage the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates. Now, the market rebounded very, very nicely, right? As soon as market opened, it went all the way back up to where it was before the drop. And then it found resistance there, came right back down. Then Bullard from the Fed spoke today. You guys can see Fed's Bullard back supersized hike seeks full point by July 1st. Market didn't like that at all. And ever since that moment, it was pretty much selling off. Now, where exactly do we think the market could be going? There is some bearish divergence right here on Market Cipher on the 4-hour. The 4-hour also got a red X. We could potentially be seeing some pain. It's hard to say how low we would go from this, right? The 1 hour on Market Cipher is already pretty oversold with the VWAP curving back up with green money flow. So we could potentially get a quick little rebound off of that. But looking at more macro here at 4-hour, it is looking like there is some more room to fall out of that, unfortunately. 12-hour got that red dot right there. And yeah, so in that terms, yes, there is some reason to be concerned, but we'll see how it goes, guys. I'll be streaming tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. So make sure you guys tune into that, have those post notifications on for that. Moving into the Bbig technical analysis right here. Again, weekly chart, have to show you guys this. There's definitely the chance that we could continue to go up. We're still oversold on this weekly chart. And the VWAP is now pointing up, which means we are in a nice little uptrend. The daily chart, again, also looking nice. 12-hour chart also looking nice. It gets a little sketch in these shorter time frames right here. There was a little bit of bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart. And then on the 1-hour chart, again, bearish divergence, but on the 1 hour, now the VWAP is curving up. We did get a short sell signal right before close. So I was talking to people. I think the most we could go right here, right? Just drawing in this fib retracement. I think 330 would probably be where we would find support and bounce back up if this bearish pressure does continue. It really depends on what the S&P 500 does. The whale flow for Bbig was still pretty good, but there were some more puts that came in today. Overall, it was 69% bullish, baby. Most bulls are going for that April 14th, which in my opinion is the best expiration for call options. We can do the scanner where it basically tells us whether or not it's good to chase or not chase, whether it's still a good time to be buying. What we're basically measuring out here is the bid and ask side of the calls. Are there more whales selling their call options, or are there more whales buying their call options? So we can look at the bid versus the ask. There's more ask side volume, which would mean that more whales are buying than selling. So Bbig is still good. Overall, a little pullback with the market. Literally everything went down today, so BBIG was not singled out by any means. We could be coming down and forming a higher low right there, so that would be good as well. And yeah, it really can do anything at this point. Again, guys, it's going to be following the SPY, and the SPY looks set for at least some type of a rebound tomorrow. But again, I can't promise you guys anything in terms of that. The call option volume also was similar levels to yesterday, slightly lower, which is still a good sign. Also, Bkkt or Bkkt. Today, a lot of puts came in randomly around 4:13 to about 4:30. That's when they were really busting in right here. Yeah, I guess it started around 2 p.m. and it lasted for about 30 minutes. It was still a majority bullish from the whale flow, 61% bullish, but it went from having a 95% bullish flow to only a 61% bullish flow, which does show some concern because Bkkt was coming back a little bit today. And we also talked about the option chain yesterday, how Max Payne is significantly down for February 11th, where majority of their call options are expiring, which would in fact put some downside pressure into it. But the flow is still bullish, so you really it's hard to say for sure, but I'm still leaning towards this stock is bullish. Also, we can do the chaser scanner where we just have calls and bid and ask, and we can measure out whether the bid or the ask has more volume. So much more volume on the ask side for calls, so majority of whales are still buying this over dumping it. So I think there's still probably some bullish pressure on Bkkt. Another short squeeze stock that I looked at today was Evgo. So Evgo had multiple sweep orders. It's number 4 right here on the short squeeze leaderboard. So Evgo is one that I'm looking at. Yeah, as soon as these sweeps came in, 100% bullish flow. I alerted people. Now, the chart did not turn out too hot. We have it right here in the bottom left-hand corner. You guys can see what was happening. It was running, but it kind of took on to the SPY and started dumping around the same time. So again, if the SPY comes back, Evgo is set up super bullish for a short squeeze. That is just my personal opinion, all right? Not financial advice, but that is what I'm looking for in Evgo. And then the last thing that I really want to talk about here was Facebook, because I have this thing called a sweeper scanner. It essentially scans for sweeps in the option market. So call sweeps, which essentially means they're just bidding out the rest of the supply of those contracts. You can see all of the trades here. We'll get rid of Facebook, but Facebook had a very significant day because there was so many Facebook sweeps throughout the day, and you're just seeing it everywhere, right? And Facebook saw a nice pullback after gaining back some ground from their earnings sell-off. So to see tons and tons of sweeps here, even right before market close, right here, boom, at 1550, that's at 350, 10 minutes before market close. Like what, 6 more sweeps come in at a good amount of premium. So that is something I'm going to be looking at tomorrow for a nice little swing trade on Facebook. And yeah, guys, that's all I really got. We have earnings tomorrow as well. Nope, we don't. Tomorrow is Friday, so we will be watching that 2/11 0 day till expiration. I think those Facebooks could do very well. As you guys can see, these are all 1 day till expiration call options. And yeah, guys, the market is looking choppy. We're going to have to play this one by ear, so make sure you join me for my market open all day live streams. I'll probably be streaming all day tomorrow starting at 9:15 a.m. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss it when I go live. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, do all that. Check out Moomoo if you like free money. Again, up to $7,000 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform. So you might as well do it, or else you're literally passing up free money. And we're penny pinchers out here. We make sure every penny counts. So go check out Moomoo using that link in the description or pinned comment section. If you want all of my trade alerts, I can alert you of the Facebooks before they happen. I can alert you of all the different activity as well as all of my buy and sells during the markets open. You can check out Hootmoney VIP trade alerts using that first link below in the description. We've been having a good week. Anyways, that's about it. I'll be seeing you guys next time. See ya.